I'm Paul from LHD Lawyers, and I specialise in CTP claims, and I'm here to talk to you about the 5 common mistakes I see when people have been injured in a motor vehicle accident. For someone that's going through the process the first time, it can be very challenging. A lot of the terms used and a lot of the legislation used by the insurance company can be really, really confusing for them. So I'm here to break it down into plain English for them and explain what it means to them and how it can affect them. It's really reassuring for clients to know that, for example, if the insurance company sent a decision to them denying liability, that, me speaking to them and advising them that they've got a good chance of overturning them, it just provides so much relief for them. Mistake number 1, not obtaining an independent medical examination. It's important for clients to be independently examined by a doctor who specialises in this area. The doctors that we brief are doctors that write reports in these sort of claims on a daily basis. The report comments on what the injuries are, if they're going to get better or not, which is also known as prognosis, and also, most importantly, the whole person impairment, which becomes important if you're entitled to lodge a common law claim. Mistake number 2, not considering how the injury can affect you over time. Sometimes if you're injured in a motor vehicle accident, you might not feel that it's going to impact you down the track. Sometimes you may feel, though, that the injuries that you sustained are not going to impact you long term. However, it's really important that you document these with a doctor, because injuries can worsen with time and have an impact on, for example, work and activities of daily living. This could mean that you could be off from work for many months, and if you haven't lodged a claim within time, then unfortunately it'll be much, much harder to make a claim for that lost period. Mistake number 3, not challenging the insurer's decision on threshold injury. Under the Motor Accidents Injuries Act, if you've been injured, the insurance company has to make a decision on threshold injury and whether or not you're at fault. Insurance companies make decisions with limited information, and it's important to challenge these decisions. So sometimes insurance companies issue decisions and make you believe that that's the final decision and it cannot be challenged. It's really important to seek a second opinion and challenge that decision. Mistake number 4, not challenging the insurer's decision on fault. In addition to challenging threshold injury, it's important that we challenge fault, as insurance companies can deny liability based on fault. Mistake number 5, not consulting a lawyer that specialises in motor vehicle accident claims. Navigating this process alone is stressful. That's why it's important to reach out to someone that specialises in this area. At LHD Lawyers, we've won thousands of CTP claims and can offer you a free case assessment where we can advise you on what your next best steps to take. If we believe you have a claim, we can fight your case through our no-win, no-fee policy, which means that if you don't win, you don't pay. Contact us and we can help you get back to living.